Poly-B pipe, also known as polybutylene, gained popularity in residential construction during the 80s and 90s due to the low cost and ease of installation. Far too quickly, homeowners discovered this plumbing material had a flaw where it tended to fail, resulting in leaks and the need for replacement. Over time, poly-B pipe becomes brittle and prone to cracking, allowing water to escape. Leaks can occur anywhere along the plumbing line, causing damage to walls, ceilings, and floors. Not only do leaks lead to water damage, but they can also occur suddenly with no warning, resulting in unexpected problems and the need for immediate repair. Due to frequent issues, many people with poly-B installed in their home decide to replace the entire plumbing system to solve the potential problem. This type of work is called repipe or repiping and should be done by a professional. It is detailed work and requires someone with experience to make sure the work is done correctly. Disruptions are minimal while the work is being done and can usually be finished in a day or two. If your home has poly-B you want removed, call us for a professional solution. We've been repiping homes for decades and have the experience to get the job done quickly and efficiently.